Hey everyone, welcome back to AlgoCat, where we capture your DSL skills one problem at a time. So today in this video we'll be solving one more problem from the Algo expert side, and the problem name is find loop. The same problem can be found in Leetcode where the problem number is 142. Now let's understand what is the problem is. So this is a very common interview question. Every time, often it has been asked to the in an interview. So let's understand the what is the problem is. So problem is you will be given a link list and you need to return the node where the cycle begins or null if there is no cycle. Okay. So let's understand the problem with an example. So let's say you will be given a link list. So you'll be given a link list, something like that, and you need to find out the start point of a loop in that link list. So here you can see the C is the start point of that loop. So you need to return the link list which is C. Okay. So so this is a very good interview question. So how can we solve this problem? To solve this problem, we need to understand couple of more things. So first, you need to identify whether this linked list has a loop or not. So, so to find out this, there is one algorithm called right cycle detection algorithm that we can use. So what basically it's a will take two pointer, one is slow pointer, another one is fast pointer. So slow pointer moves one step at a time and fast pointer moves two steps at a time. Okay. So now let's take another example like with six is connected to two. Okay, so here you can see that this loop, this linked list has a loop. Okay, now what will I'll start both pointer, slow and fast pointer to this loop. Okay, now as I said that slow pointer will move one step at a time and fast pointer move two steps at a time. And when both these two points are meets, that means there is a loop in the linked list. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll move the slow pointer one at a time. So in the first step, slow pointer will move same. So this is slow, and fast pointer will move here. Okay. Next step, slow pointer is here, and fast pointer moves at 5. So this is our first point. In next step, slow pointer is here, and fast pointer is will two step, right? So from 6, 5 to 6, and 6 to 3. So here will be our first pointer. Next, our slow pointer is here and fast pointer also here, right? Because it will take two steps, so one and two steps. So at node 5, both slow pointer and fast pointer meets. So that's whenever like there is a condition like both slow and fast pointer meets, that's mean there is a loop. So we identified that this linked list has a loop. Okay, and where the slow pointer and fast pointer meet at node 5. Okay, now we are in this node 5. Okay, we are at this point. Okay, now we need to find out the start point of that loop. Okay, so so there is a mathematical explanation for that. So once the two pointer meet at a certain point, the distance from head to start of the loop is equal to distance of meeting point to the start of the loop. So what that does mean, so it means that if I move the start pointer, the distance from the like head to start point, so this distance, okay, so this distance nothing but equals to the what we made from this distance to here. So you can see that from one to the start point, the distance is, if I consider two, right? And also if I we have meet at five, so from five to three is distance is also two, six and three. So here is also distance same. So we can use this explanation, use this logic basically to calculate the first point, start point of the loop. So what we will do, we will take the start point as a head, okay, and our first point is already pointing to 5, right? So now what I'll do, I'll iterate both start and start point, let's say, and first point one at a time, okay? So and once they meet at the same point, that's mean that is the start point, okay? So what I'll do, I'll this is our start point as of now, okay, and this is our first point, okay? Now I'll move start point one at a time. So next step start is here, okay, and first is here. In next step start it here and first is also here, right? So both start and first meeting at this point. So that's it. This point is a start point of the loop. So we'll return the start. Okay. I hope you are able to understand the solution. So what is the time complexity for this problem? So the time complexity for this problem, as we are iterating the loop only once time, so the time complexity is order of n, and we are not taking any extra phase, so phase complexity is order of 1. Okay. So now let's uh, so I'll writing the pseudocode here for your better understanding. So what I'll do, I'll take slow pointer, which is nothing but head, and another is fast pointer, which is nothing but also head. So first what I'll do, I will check whether the linked list has a loop or not. So to check this, while I do, I'll take a while loop, while fast not equal to null, or fast dot next not equal to null. Okay. So if this not null, so we'll iterate slow pointer one step at a time. So slow equal to slow dot next, and fast will move two steps, right? So fast dot next dot next. Okay. And once both slow and fast pointer meet, let's say if slow equal to fast, that's mean there is a loop. So once there is a loop, I will what I'll do, I will create a start which is nothing but head. Okay. Now inside that I'll again check a while loop, while slow. I getting a start, so I'll just make this pointer as a start. While start not equal to our first pointer, So I'll iterate. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll move the start pointer one at a time, one step at a time. So start dot next and and first dot next. Now once this start and first meets, that's when there is a cycle. So I will return this. So I will return start. I'll exit this end of this for loop and then end of this while loop, this if loop, and this while loop as well. And if the no slow pointer and fast pointer meets, in that case, the first two will reach to the end of the linked list, and we will just return from this while loop, like exit from this while loop, and after that while loop, I'll just return none. So that means there is no loop in that linked list. Okay. So I hope you are able to understand the solution as well. I will provide the actual code in the description section, so please check it out. And for more DSS content, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.